Hello and welcome back to this course. Today in this video we will discuss about the comparable in Java. So let's see what is a comparable. A comparable object is capable of comparing itself with another object. The class itself must implement the java.lang.comparable interface to compare its instances. Now comparable basically is our interface. So the class must have to implement the comparable interface and it has to override a method which is called the compare to method. So let's create our program in our NetBeans that we create a class that implements the comparable interface about the movie class that sort the movies according to the years. So let's create our program in our net. So first of all, I create a class here. I type here class movie, and this class I'm going to create some private members, double ratings like this, and private string name and private int year. Okay, and after that I type here implements the comparable. I type here movie, and also I implements the abstract methods. Okay, so this is the method that we have to override basically, which is a compare to method. So first of all, I change it here m. Okay, and in this method I am simply going to type here return this dot year minus m dot year. Okay, done. So this is the method that we have to override in this class, and now I am going to create the constructor for this class. So I type here public movie, and in the constructor I type here string name and double ratings and int year. Okay, and here I type dot name equals to name, this dot ratings is equal to ratings, and this dot year equals to year. Okay, after that I'm going to create the getters for the basically my variables. So I type here public double get ratings, and in this method I simply return the ratings like this, and public int get year, and I simply return year. Public string get name, and I return the name. Okay, so these are the getters for this class. Okay, so now if I go to my main function or my class, I simply remove these comments from here, and I type here the array list, and it is the movie, and I type here list equals to new array list. Okay, and I import the array list in my program. Okay, and after that I'm going to add here list dot add, and I have to add here the first of all the name. So I type here Star Wars, and then I have to give the ratings. So I type here 4.3, and then for example I type here 1977. Okay, and after that I type here. Okay, so I forgot to type here, so I type here new movie. Okay, after that I have to add list dot add new movie, and in the constructor I type here the Avengers. Okay, I type here 4.8. I don't know basically, but I type here, and 2017 I think so. Okay, and after that I want to add one more here. I type here list dot add new movie, and I type here Force Awakens, and I add the rating of 4.4 and the year 2015. Okay, so I add one more here, list dot add. I add here new movie, and I type here Black Hawk Down, and rating you can say that 4.2, and its release year was 2001 I think so. Okay, so now if I type here collections dot sort and type here list. Okay, after that I type here system dot out dot println, and I type here movies after sorting according to the year provided. Okay, and I start a loop here for movie m list and system dot out dot println, and I type here m dot get year, and I concatenate the space here, and then m dot get name, add some space here. After that m dot get ratings. Okay, so now if I basically run my program, you will see here movies after sorting according to the year provided. First of all, 1977 Star Wars, rating 4.3. 2001 Black Hawk Down, 4.2. Then 2015 Force Awakens, 4.4. 2017 Avengers, 4.8. So you can see that all the movies are now sorted according to the years that are provided in the program basically. So in this way we can use the comparable interface in Java. I repeat the program once again. So basically, first of all, I create a class with the name movie, and it implements the comparable interface. I created the three variables, rating, name, and year, and I override the method that is compare to method. And in this method, simply return this year minus the which is provided in the constructor of this program. I create the constructor in which I pass the name, ratings, and years from my main method. After that, I created the getters, get ratings, get year, and get name. In my main method, I created the object of the array list class with the name list, which is the reference, and I add some movies in my array list. You can see I add the movies by using the random years, and after that I sort the list and print the result on the screen. You can see the now movies are sorted according to the year provided. So I hope that you understand. Anyhow, if you feel any problem by understanding any class interface of this collection interface, you can definitely ask me a question. I will help you. So that's it for this video. I will see you in next video.